harbor, its vibrant, a backdrop of sunshine marmalade. I know myself, I know you, at least I think I do. The old world is losing color, juice, endings, and lovers. I might have to put it behind me into a container ship. Bang it and hear its splendid bottle sound disappear twice and fall, baby. A sad fox, a city fox, roaming small dim lanes. Well, the drinks bite back, no time for goodbyes. It's jittery, jittery. Be aware of the bad smoke and the fuck ups. Sad city fox, sad city fox. At the station, breasts look like water, left to right, what now? Hesitation, hesitation, hesitation. In the middle of my train, stood still, bored, bored. Shouting sad city fox, shouting sad city fox. I remember you, it's a swamp, or maybe my mind is. Everything is so far away. Capitals, empires, capitals, empires. So what? How about a joker? How about a shower in shoe shine? Time to clean your nails. They're still shouting. Deja vu, taking free. Reggae beats outside and mid-60s NYC drone music starting up night stars inside slowly, slowly, in love. I do expensive soul searchings. Remember the shouting city fox dancing on trash cans. Ow! 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 Time to leave our